Craig, why do you do YouTube and just not gatekeep everything? Because it's not like YouTube will be making you much revenue. Bro, like, the reason why I do a lot of this stuff is to build my own personal network, right? Like, I've made so much cash from just building my own personal kind of like connections in the community, right? Like, there's a lot of people. So I actually have a, I don't talk about this at all, but I have a group chat of 7-figure Etsy sellers. So you basically have to have done, normally it's like minimum 7 figures in a year, but we make some exceptions. But basically I like help a lot with this group chat. I'm like a big part of this group chat. It's a group chat of a few people, right? And it's obviously invite only. We don't like, it's just, yeah. And we all share the kind of big level stuff, the high level stuff, the high level stuff. And I would have never have got into that, and I would never had extra people join that if I didn't do YouTube, I didn't do Twitter, I didn't do these things, right? Because no one would know who I am, so I wouldn't be able to, I wouldn't attract these 7-figure Etsy sellers, okay? And that's made me so much money. That's made me so much money. Like the second I did that, one person told me something in there, and literally one of my stores was stagnating at like 25 a month, right? 25 revenue a month. One guy told me one thing in there, literally doubled it within like 2 weeks. Like 2 weeks, it was doing the equivalent of like 50K a month. I doubled the revenue. So like that's maybe so much money, basically is the reason why. It's like, and then also my long-term aim, I'll tell you guys my long-term aim, right? I've mentioned this before, it's the Alex Hormozi model. So the Alex Hormozi model, I'm sure everyone knows who Hormozi is. It's just give like a bunch of game out, give a bunch of free game out, right? And then it's buy stores on the back end, right? So like it's like 0.0001% of his audience, Hormozi's audience, actually interacts and actually buys something from him. But that thing is so valuable to him, it helps him so much. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description, where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.